Mario? You again?
Yeah. Me, you, and that waiter guy are the three main characters.
I hate the new cast. Anyway, one of the two people who runs Canny 259 Roblox has his birthday in 12 days. That's a hint to you, viewers.
So it is the 24th?
Yes. We need to plan something. He did make us, after all.
Why didn't we throw a party for the other creator?
I have no idea. But no time for that now, we need to get the surprise special running.
A birthday special? Sounds great.
Well, you guys are better than Chloe and Dan.